What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are installing this bull bar on that 2020 Ford F-150. I'm going to show you guys how to install it. I'm going to show you guys how to remove the tow hooks so you can install it, and then I'll show you what it looks like at the end. Stay tuned. Alright, so here's the bull bar. I believe these are 3 inches in diameter. Fun fact, this is actually the same one that I put on my 2006 Ford F-150 that I had before this truck right here. But this bull bar will still fit the newer body style. So the one that I put on my super old truck, I'm putting on my brand new truck. So as a lot of you know, the biggest issue with these things are removing the tow hooks, specifically being able to remove the bolts that hold these tow hooks in. So without any cutting, bumper removal, this thing removal, I'm going to show you guys how to remove these things. As you can see, I've already removed one right here. And as you can also see, there's no cutting or snipping or anything that I did. All you do is you see how there's a clip right in there and a clip right in there. Take a flathead screwdriver, like so, get it in there, pry those clips out, that way they're free, you know, so you'll be pulling them like in. And then all you're gonna do, guys, is you're gonna take a set of pliers. I'm gonna grip it from below in the bottom, like right in there, and then I'm simply going to pull out. That's gonna give me enough room on the bottom to easily remove both of these bolts. Then once that's done, I'm gonna remove the tow hook, and then I'll pull this thing the rest of the way out. Okay, so the clips are out. Get some pliers and just pull. And as you can see, the bottom part has popped out, which will give us plenty of room to go up and underneath behind there and remove the bolts that are holding these tow hooks in. So after I pulled this guy down, had plenty of room to get up in there with my socket wrench and extension. And now this back one is clearly exposed as well. To remove that one, I'm going to use, this is a ratcheting wrench, and it has a swivel head. I picked this up. This is actually like a 5-pack with 5 different sizes from Harbor Freight. Really freaking good deal for what you get, whatever. But yeah, now we're just gonna remove this back one. We'll slide the tow hook back and out, and then we'll remove this guy fully. Fun fact, you don't have to actually remove the back bolt all the way to get it out, because once you release it a little bit, you can slide this back and forth and see this guy just falls right out of it. So yeah, now we're gonna remove this guy and we'll pull this one the rest of the way out. Okay, so now we've got everything that we're gonna install back on the truck. So these are what you're going to be installing in the place of the tow hooks, which is then what is ultimately your bull bar is going to connect to when it's coming up and out. So whenever you can, I always try and reuse the factory bolts. As you can see right up here, I'm kind of moving this guy back and forth. So like I said earlier, this guy doesn't need to fully come out because the back groove right here is not completely enclosed like the front one. So this guy will be able to, see how it'll kind of fit perfectly up and over there like that. You'll reinstall both factory bolts front and back, and then you'll have these 2 holes right here for your bull bar to attach to. However, if you don't have factory bolts to reinstall and reuse, they do provide these eye bolts for you to use to put up underneath there. They do include those with the bull bar when you buy them. And here's a quick shot of what they all look like installed. There we go. Okay, so now I'm sitting here with the bull bar on my legs. What you're going to do is you're going to line up this hole with the back hole, the bracket you installed. I'm going to install a bolt through, like finger tight. That way it can rotate up and down on an axis. And then once you like raise it up like how it's supposed to go, this bottom hole right here will line itself up with this front hole on the bracket that you installed. Just in case that last part wasn't clear, finger tight the back bolt and nut right here. That way it's attached and you can raise it up and down on an axis as you're adjusting exactly how, you know, high up you want the bull bar to actually sit. Especially when you're doing it like I'm doing it right now, you don't have an extra set of hands, it's just you setting yourself up like this. That way you're not constantly bearing the entire weight of the bull bar as you're setting it up, is crucial. That's really all there is to it. It took me about, give or take, an hour to install, and really it probably wouldn't have taken me that long if I hadn't been trying to make this instructional video along the way. But the truck looks amazing. This is just, with the grill and the whole blacked out look that I'm going for, it looks awesome. So without any further ado, enjoy how the truck looks now. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys think that this turned out as awesome as I do, because I think that this looks crazy. And it's also insane to me that this is the exact same bull bar. Like I literally just rebought the same one that I bought all those years ago when I put one on my 2006 Ford F-150. So thank you guys so much for watching. Sneak peek of what I'm going to be doing next. I got a hard truck bed cover that has an LED strip built into the back. So if you put your right blinker on, the LED right side will blink. Brake light, running light, left blinker, all that good stuff. And so that's what I'm gonna be installing on this truck next. I'm still trying to figure out what I'm gonna be doing with these LED light pods, because I need to get some sort of switch panel or whatever you call that thing for the inside of the truck for the toggle on and off switch. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Again, hope you guys liked it. If you have any questions, as always, leave in the comments below. I try my best to respond to literally every single comment that you guys leave on my videos. I at least try my best to. You know, questions, comments, thoughts, questions, concerns, leave them all below. Thank you guys so much for watching. We're almost at 10,000 subscribers. That is crazy. I have to do something for when we reach 10,000 subscribers. That's just such a crazy, awesome milestone, and it wouldn't be possible without all of you guys. So again, thank you guys so much. We'll see you guys on the next video. Enjoy the supplemental B-roll footage at the end of this video. See you guys.